What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we're looking at the VR Rock prescription lenses for the Oculus MetaQuest 3. So the cool thing about this is I often use my MetaQuest with glasses. Recently, I got prescription lenses which snap on, and this is a very interesting new design from VR Rock that seems like it's going to be my new go-to. So if we choose get yours now here, you can choose, actually it's on sale right now, $25 with prescription lenses. These can go a little higher based on what things you choose to add onto them, but they're very, very affordable, especially compared to some of the other options out there. But again, it very much depends on what options you choose. Like if you want it magnetic, all of these are cost-free, but some of them add to the cost. But yes, surprisingly affordable. Let's go ahead and take a look at the lenses and the installation setup itself. So you're given these two caps that go onto the Oculus. The Oculus, I keep saying that. That go onto the MetaQuest 3. Now, why do they have two separate things? Let me actually show you another. I'm not going to show the brand here, but these lenses from another manufacturer just snap on and are the entire lens. Why would you have two pieces? Well, it's actually a really good offering because it is magnet. So what you can do is when I'm using it, I can simply snap my lenses on, and when I hand it over to someone else to use it, there's no trying to pull off the end or anything. You just magnetically pull it off very easily and give it to the next person and they can use it. That makes it actually really, really cool. So let's go ahead and take a look here how to install this. All you do is you grab each one of these and snap it into place. It's that easy. It really just pops in. So you make sure it's lined up and you snap it into place. That is all you need to do. You are already done with the installation. Now, when we actually want to use the lenses, we just open these up. They do give you a microfiber cleaning cloth, but these are very nicely cleaned outside by default. So I could just drop it in there, and it only goes one way. I'm gonna drop that one there. So just like that, you can simply pull these off or drop them on super, super easily, super quick. And there it is. I can see in VR. Normally, I can't see in VR, but because these are my actual prescription lenses, I'm able to see just fine, can read things just clearly. I know you can't see that, so it's not that great of a demo, but I am a huge fan already with how easily these come off and on. That way my wife can try it out. I could just pull these off, let her play a game, put it back on, and I can play a game. That is really, really cool. So yeah, definitely check them out at VR Rock. I think this is a very unique implementation. A lot of people do prescription lenses, but that is a new way that I haven't really seen too often. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and hope you have a good one. Peace.